Morning folks, how you all doing? Oh, it's early. I don't think anyone else is up yet. Oh, what a shitter. I was hoping for an epic sunrise up here. I was going to send the drone up and everything. Maybe it'll clear up later. Oh, the mud is real. Ooh. It's a bit misty in here.
Where's some more boats?
So I'm just
Honey, I dropped my phone.
oh god. I got a new light come up on my dash.
What is it?
Power steering light. Well, the dashboard ain't even working. That's not great. No gauges are working. And we got that. Brilliant. Anyway, driving back to my mum's really quick to go grab a set of ladders because there's a few jobs going off here today. Slower than yesterday. I was getting a bit of a lick on because I thought the drone was filmed. It don't sound great, does it? Right, ladders check. So does it spoil the magic a little bit if I tell you that was the second flight? Well, that was the second time we've just done that drive because the first time I forgot to press record on the drone. Yeah, the wonders of making videos, eh? Right folks, time to do my quick job. Where's all them bolts gone, I fear, babe? Right folks, so what I'm doing, my solar mounts here, where they screw into these. I was using these, which is, they worked, but it's kind of stupid because now they've sort of come loose on these bits and it's not really safe. So I've got these little gadgets here, and if you've seen them before, I'm sure plenty of you have. These are called Rivnuts. The way that they work with this gun here, so that is going to go through the panel, and then you squeeze this thing together, so that squeezes down and mushrooms on the other side of this, and then I can use a bolt, proper bolt through that, and bolt it onto there. So it should be a lot more secure than what I've got now. So let's give it a go. So the first job is to drill these holes out a bit bigger so that these guys fit. So then what you do, you get your tool, you screw the nut onto the tool, like that, put it in, and then clamp this tool down. And that's it, you just unscrew, and that then is a much more solid anchor point for a proper bolt to go in. Sweet. I've just got to do 2 more. Am I going to be lucky? Oh god. Yes! It is easy.
Yeah, forgot about that. There's a taste.
Oh, that is... Mate, why didn't I do this in the first place? Just doing a proper job for once in my existence.
Yeah.
Much better. Now I can actually drive in confidence that I'm not going to lose my panel on the motorway.
You've been driving with it not secured.
Oh, Davy LA!
You kept your moped scooter on easily, yeah?
Yeah, I've done it properly now though.
Yeah.
Mounted it all.
That was mega, that was.
One more quick thing. So I had a question, I remember, about the security system, if you like. So I have these puck lock things. There's one of them on every door. So they bolt onto there like that. And then on the back doors and the sliding door, I also have a deadbolt that goes down into there, and on this back door as well, when I really want to lock it down, I have this ratchet strap that goes onto that eyelet just there and into this hole here, which pulls the door solid, so there's no way you can like bend it off. So basically my theory is to force people, so the only way someone can break in is to smash one of the front windows, which in that case the alarm will go off. That's the idea. All the side windows in the back have all got pretty thick anti-smash film on them. There's like a mil thick plastic film stuff, so it'd be quite difficult to break them. Obviously you still can if you want to, but yeah, it's basically, you know, so you can't pick the locks when the deadbolts are down. You can't really pull the door with the straps, with the ratchet straps on, because I know people peel van doors back, don't they? So you're pretty much forced to smash one of the front windows, which if I'm in the van I'm going to know about, and if I'm not in the van the alarm will go off, and this thing makes a racket when the alarm goes off, because I've wired all of the lights into the alarm. So if you want to see, look, when I press the key fob, this happens. So you can imagine when the alarm goes off, all of that shit's flashing and the sound of the siren as well. So yeah, it's pretty obnoxious. Yeah. His nameplate. Who are you?
Look, I was named after a train, okay?
Off into the... Oh, it's like Scotland all over again.
Oh.
Top tip, folks. Have a rug just for dirty situations. Like a doormat, because when it's muddy like this, you don't want to get it. Bloody dogs here, look. Need to give me van and dangle clean tomorrow.
Yeah,
Smells
I need
bloody
to
good.
Oh, should put that there actually, should I? Got a bottle of Pneumite.
No.
The opener.
Am I being dumb?
Push it away from me.
That is good. That's so easy. It's never been so easy to be an alcoholic.
When I'm that lazy, I just do that and then it falls in the sink and I'm like, eh.
Project Ramsey tonight.
The stew's f***ing raw.
Perfect time to turn the camera on.
What's that on? Amazing. I can really get my drama on camera.
Right, folks, Marie is leaving us and I'm going to call it a day. So it's been a good weekend. I shall see you all tomorrow.